Hello everyone, welcome to ixamBee. Embrace the ixamBee learning experience. In this video, we are going to discuss important questions for NICL, NIACL and PFRDA grade IT exam. So these questions will be helpful for your preparation. So before starting this video, let's have some bit of motivation. We have multiple candidates selected in SEBI grade A, RBI grade B, NABARD grade A and in IUPAC SO and many more exams. So our students trust our strategy and they have make it to the government job. You can be the next person, so stay tuned with us. Now let's start the video. So here's the first question, which is from operating system. In virtual memory system, which page algorithm replace the page that will not used for a longest period of time in the future? So the correct answer would be the optimal page replacement technique. In this algorithm, it is kind of theoretical algorithm because it requires the knowledge of future memory references, but it gives you the lowest possible number of page fault, where the FIFO replaces the oldest loaded page. LRU will replace the page that was least recently used in the past. The LFU removes the least frequently used page. And the clock algorithm is a kind of approximation of LRU when we use the circular buffer. Let's move to the next question, which is from database. Which of the following ensure that all non-key attributes are fully functionally dependent on the primary key and on any other non-key attribute? So the correct answer would be third NF. As we already discussed, first NF remove the repeating groups and 2NF will remove the partial dependency, 3NF will remove the transitivity dependencies where non-key attributes are depend on another non-key attribute. This is known as transitivity. Then BCNF handle the special cases where 3NF still sometimes allow the anomalies. Then 4NF will remove the multi-valued dependencies. Let's move to the next question, which is from data communication and networking. In TCPIP, which protocol is used to resolving an IP address to a MAC address? The correct answer is ARP. So ARP resolve IP address to a MAC address, where RARP, which is a reverse of ARP, it resolve MAC address to IP address. And ixamBee is used to control messages like whenever we ping something. Then DHCP assign IP addresses dynamically. Here the DNS resolve the domain names to the IP addresses. Let's move to the next question, which is from data structure. Which data structure is best for implementing recursion? So the correct answer would be stack. Recursion uses a call stack to store the function states, while the queues work in the FIFO order, which is not suitable for recursion process. The linked list can be used to implement the stack, but it is not recursive by default. In case of priority queue and the hash table, they serve the different purpose other than the recursion. Let's move to the next question, which is from C programming. Here the program is given when a variable that is x is defined, a value is 3, and here we have print this. So what would the correct answer? The correct answer would be 12. Why? Because this operator is the left shift operator, and shifting left by 2 bits multiply the number. So by 2 की power 2 is equals to 4. So 3 multiply 4 by is equals to 12. So option A having the original value, that is 3, and option B is just doubling the value. Option C and E are unrelated. So the correct answer would be. Now the next question is, which SQL command is used to remove all records from the table but keep its structures? So the correct answer is truncate. So let's move to the option first. The drop command will remove the table completely. The delete command will remove the rows, but it can be filtered at each deletion. Then truncate will remove all rows but keep the table definition. And the remove and clear are not the SQL keywords. Now let's move to the next question, which is from software engineering. Which testing technique focus on the internal logic of the program? So the correct answer would be white box testing. Let's move to the option first. The black box will test without looking at the code. The white box will test the path, the branches, the loops. Those are defined within a code. Then the regression technique ensure the old features still work after the changes has been made. The beta testing is user testing just before the release of the software. Then the stress testing is a performance test under the load. Let's move to the next question, which is from web technology. Which HTML5 tag is used to define the self-contained content that could be distributed independently? So the correct answer would be article. So let's move to the option first. The div, it is used for generic grouping. The section is used to group related content. The article is kind of a standalone tag, like if you want to post a blog or kind of news item. A site is used for a side content. The main is a primary content of the page. Let's move to the next question, which is from computer architecture. Which memory type is the fastest to access? So the correct answer would be register. So registers are basically inside the CPU, so they have a fastest access. The cache is slower than the register, but it is faster than the RAM. And the virtual memory is kind of disk based, so it is much slower than these. And the flash memory is used for storage, not for the CPU execution. Let's move to the next question, which is from AI and machine learning. In the context of machine learning, which of the following best describe the overfitting? So the correct answer would be option A. The model perform well on training data but poorly on the unseen data. So when we train a model, we want it to learn a pattern from the data, not just memorize them. So overfitting happen when a model becomes too good at remembering the training data, so much so that it fails to perform well on the new or unseen data. So this is the correct definition of overfitting, while the option B says that model will perform poorly on both training and testing, which is incorrect. Then option C says the model has high bias and low variance. So this is the other way of saying underfitting, because the model is too simple to capture the complexity of that data. Then option D says generalizing well to the new data. So that's actually what we want in a ideal model, and that is exactly opposite of a overfitting. Then the model is untrained and needs more trainings. So that's again a point of underfitting. So the correct answer will be option A. So this is all about this video. I hope you liked the video, and if you are preparing for NICL exam, so we are also providing a course for NICL AOIT, in which you will get the video lessons, study notes, live out classes, MCQ booklets, which will be helpful for your preparation. Also, you will get the concept check questions, chapter test and mock test. Other than NICL AO, one more organization has also released the notification, that is PFRDA. So we are also providing the course for PFRDA grade A IT. Pedagogy for this will be the same. Then other than this, we have expert session which are designed to help you prepare 50% faster, and also our mock test which we have designed are completely based on the actual exam pattern. Also, if you need help in the general awareness section, so we have a BPDA which is completely free PDF. You can download it from general awareness section from our website. So this is all about this video. Thank you. Prepare 50% faster with the ixamBee.